Okay, on this Durango, this is the V6. After I loosen, there's two brackets. This is one bracket here. There's a bolt down there. Move these wires out the way. Those threads are right there. I just loosened that one. There's another bracket here. Right there. Right here where my finger is. That one. And you loosen out those bottom bolts and you take off these. There's nuts on here that are 10 millimeters. Take those two off. It's the same thing here. There's a 10 millimeter here. There's some threads back here, but I think somebody was here before and they took off the nut that's back there, so I don't have to worry about that one. And I disconnected this evap system here, and then there's 6 of these bolts here have to be removed. So that's what I'm going to do now, is take those 6 off. Okay, after I wiggle the this is the intake, wiggle that out the way, I was able to get to the spark plugs on this side. So it's just a matter of scanning this clip, pulling out the wire, I can remove this, and these are 10 millimeter bolts here. Take out the coil packs and replace the spark plugs. Okay, I got the spark plugs on cylinders. I believe this is 2, 4, and 6 installed. I had to replace the coil pack or ignition coil plug here for number 2. This under the this insulation here. So I'm going to wiggle the intake back in. It's recommended that you replace these seals. So you place the seals and wiggle this intake back in to position and tighten them down. Okay, I got the upper intake manifold installed and made my connections here at the hoses. Well, not really the hoses, but the brackets. Those 2 over there I was talking about before. And now I'm just gonna do the these 3 spark plugs here, the coil packs, and replace the spark plugs. So here's with the air intake installed, the spark plugs, and that coil pack has been replaced. That's left is put the cover back on and start the vehicle. And then I'm going to clear the check engine light for the misfiring code.